din yung mga apo, pwede pa dapat mapa-invest or property here in Cebu City. So to present the project, may I call on my sales manager, Mr. Rene Christopher Lozano.
So, maayong buntag, Papsi. So, first of all, I would like to congratulate everyone for the success of this event. And special thanks to Engineer Dapitan for inviting us to be part of this prestigious national convention for Papsi. So, by the way, my name is Rene Lozano. I'm a real estate broker and a sales manager connected with Ayala Land, the Alveo brand to be specific, and together with me are my real estate salesperson, Mr. David and Ruby. So, we'll do our best to present what is the investment opportunity of Alveo Land here in Cebu City. So, for the next 30 minutes, we'll do our best to present and to give you a knowledge and idea what are the opportunities by Alveo right now available in Cebu City. So, allow me to start my presentation. Who is Alveo? Alveo Land is a real estate brand under Ayala Land, a prominent real estate developer in the Philippines. Alveo focuses on developing innovative and upscale residential and mixed-use projects. So in the photo, what you can see, these are the most
Ganito ang sinasabi. Papsi is empowered to unite all Filipino people and uplift the least fortunate, includes the tribes. Yung ibig sabihin, yung mga ano talaga, i-educate natin. I-ano natin, tayo lahat ay matuto tayo sa ating mga responsibility bawat isa sa atin, sa ating bayan. Ganun po ang ating bakit ganito ang ating ina-organize. Para sa lahat ito ating mga Pilipino. So, thank you po. Sa sunod na lang malalaman nyo ano ba dahil sa ating Article Incorporation ng Velocity Law. Thank you.
Kapitan for a welcome message. So, Mr. talks for this. Oh, sorry. Next will be the Paxi Creek.
Can we request everyone to stand up again? Okay, and repeat after me. Papsi Creek. We, the members of the Philippine Association of Professional Consultants Incorporated, seriously in sharing our knowledge and expertise to the private and government sector for the economic growth of our country. Acknowledging that our talents and skills are divine gifts to be shared as we remain faithful in the divine laws and commandments. Recognizing one government and good governance, embracing faith in the Lord our God, the giver of life, have resolved to collaborate and make Papsi realize the ultimate dream of United Filipino Consultants here in the Philippines and abroad.
Thank you, Engineer. In this picture, I would like to call out for the opening message or music. Our very own Dr. Marlon Saison.
Hundreds of years back, there was a very famous scientist, consultant. Because he had not a good relationship with the king then, he was sentenced to death through a guillotine. one of the wise observers had commented, "Oh my God, it takes but a moment to cut off his head, but it will take several years to grow another one like him." My fellow consultants, led by our very able and very industrious President and Chairman of the Board, Engineer Don Dapitan, our Chancellor of Theology University, everyone here around, my fellow tribal chieftains, a very good day for us. The pronouncement of the wise observer just gave us a lesson today that we here in this very beautiful room of Summit Hotel are a very rare and special kind of species. Imagine, for each one of us here who is a consultant, it takes but a moment to cut off this head, but it will take another several and even hundred of years to have another Raja Makalipay who is a scientist, and also to all of you. Actually, ang kulugan sa atong pinag-abot ron, duha. Una, sa atong pinag-abot, nining usa ka manindog nga hawanan sa Summit Hotel. Special thanks to the management who gave us this opportunity. Una, atong ipakatao pagbalik ang maong scientist. Ikaduha, namatay ang maong scientist because his superior was just a king and even had not established a good relationship, resulting to his death. Apanining gayuna, the second significance nining unang anibersaryo sa Philippine Association of Professional Consultants Incorporated, our superior is not just a king, but the king of all kings, God Himself. And what is our mission? Our mission is to co-work with Him, to refurbish, that's why you have engineers here, to recreate, and to make it continuous for the next generations. And this time, we the scientists will not anymore have our heads cut off, but will be crowned with shining glory. Hence, the theme of this first anniversary, in which we are all fortunate to come. Actually, some of us are coming from Mindanao. We have tribal chieftains from Mindanao here. There are about 3 of them. The theme that has come to all of us, that we all shall share, talks, shall plan, and shall work for His glory and our next generations, is but very fitting enough that attending to environmental management through recycling, regeneration, and reuse of all forms of waste for nation building. Thank you very much.
Honored Engineer Don Filipiano for a short talk or message for all consultants to be heard.
Okay, good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, actually, I am happy this time, no, which is not expected by me, because of in organizing this POPSI, it's very hard because it is a nationwide organization. No, that's why, as read by our MC, may official tayo sa Luzon, sa NCR, sa Visayas, at sa Mindanao. In fact, yun lang muna ang nalagay sa ating mga organization, sa ating officers. But we have another officials, no? We have also officials coming from those who are working abroad, because as mentioned in our PAPSI claim, it is uniting Filipino people and abroad. Now, we have also Vice President in Brunei, no? In the person of Dexter Badilles, no? We have also our Vice President of Middle East, si Engineer Rudy Diaz Malima, no? From international, we have also I did see, but last time he is here, no? Our Vice President for International Linkage, and he is the one who managed the technology of coming from Israel, no? He is Engineer Ruki Singa, no? When I talked to him last time, he said to me that he will be coming. Maybe he's very busy because of what is happening in Israel, no? We have also another BP for external, no? Ang BP na to sa external affair, siya mo hit sa Kadiwa Center, no? Si Dr. Julius Canunoy, and maybe he will be on time because he is very busy. He came from, I think, in parang sa Norte, somewhere in Norte, because of his mission of promoting the Kadiwa in the entire nation. Another also, we have our Vice President for Internal Affairs, which is si Secretary, ang ating Internal Vice President for Internal Affairs. So, hindi na mention because what I know, the media lang, no? So, besides media lang. But for the information of all who are present, this organization, no, the plan, actually this is the plan before me and the supposedly the chairman, because when we organize this one, I am the vice chairman. But unfortunately, Engineer Ronald Talion, he has the project in Masbate, and because of pandemic, he died. So that's why after that, I asked Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao officers, shall we continue? Yes, shall we continue, because this is a good association and that is for all. And then there is a time when I heard the zoning, the Anyungsona, the President ng BBM, mga kababayan ko, kailan ba tayo magkaisa? Diba sabi niya? Kaya sabi na, iisip ko, oo nga, tama to. Now, that's why, i-proceed ko ito, instead na puro engineers lang, lahat ng mga professionals, sinasama ko to. Bakit? I want, this time, just like this conference, that's why every conference, all discipline will talk about their expertise, so that we will share our expertise to all. Kumbaga, halimbawa, expertise ko ay professional mechanical engineer, if it's an electrical engineer, doctor, any professions, during that time in this, then mayroong isang bawat profession na mag-talk dito para sa expertise. Para ang ating mga next, mga bata pa na mga professionals, they know already what are their directions.